Hi! Ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of editorial. This is about the preparation or commissioning of material for publication. For example, the editorial team. American pronunciation. Editorial. Editorial. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Editorial. Say. Editorial. Editorial means relating to commissioning or preparing of material for publication. Editorial. Editorial. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. The time to exercise editorial responsibility is before publication, not after. Now, repeat after me. The time to exercise editorial responsibility is before publication, not after. The second practice. I don't think it's a necessary or wise rule for editorial decisions in publications such as this one. Now, repeat after me. I don't think it's a necessary or wise rule for editorial decisions in publications such as this one. Visual representation of editorial. Editorial means this is about the preparation or commissioning of material for publication.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.